Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a pouch. It's a waterproof pouch for your actual phone, and this is universal. So we're gonna take a look at it and see how if it's really universal, and see what you get, and see if it's even worth it. So not only that we're gonna use it, but we're gonna put it to a test, see if it really secures underwater. So let's take a look and see what you get when you get something like this. So what you get is you get two pouches, not one. The box actually had contained two, so which I like. If you can see, I opened one of them, and it has instructions in here how to open it up, how to close it, and how to fit the phone. So I opened one up, and there are two different ones. One's a whole see-through one, if you can see it, and the other one has its color around black around the area. So not that bad. To open up, it's pretty simple. You basically just have to see the instructions. It tells you exactly in the front how to open it. So you just open it this way, and that's pretty much it. You just open them together and grab the instructions in the middle, take them all out. If you guys can see that, take them out. And then that's where you actually come in. So right here, we have a phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Ultra 21. It's a large phone. It's one of the largest phones. It's compared to the Note, it's about the same size, almost similar to it. So we're just gonna fit this one in here, see how well it fits. And if you can see it, it fits really well. And this is a Note, almost the size of a Note, all right? It's a Galaxy Ultra 21. And then what you guys got to do is you got to meet them in here. So see this angle in here? If you guys can see, I'm gonna put it in a little angle right here. So you just basically got to marry them and just squish them together. And then once you do that, all you got to do is close in the back. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's ready. It's underwater. And the beautiful thing is that, check this out. So basically, that's the way it works. The fingerprint's not very good reading through the actual plastic, but you can just turn on your camera, if you notice, and you can take pictures underwater with this. Not bad. And on top of it, they give you two of the nylon strings so you can hang around your neck so you won't lose it. Also, I've seen people wearing this and carrying their money in there, some IDs. I mean, you could do pretty much pile everything in here. What I would recommend you, if you have a larger phone, use the see-through one so you can actually see the buttons, because right here, if you see this, it's a little shorter. This is pretty much like for an iPhone. So let's go ahead and replace it and change it back to the other one. Then we're going to use it on here, on this one. I'm going to open it up on this one. And you have access to your buttons, your camera. And then we're going to try this one with a case. I actually have a case for an iPhone. And I don't want to take it out of the case, see how it is, and see if it even fits. So we're going to try it in the black one in here. We're going to open it up in here. So we're going to open it up, and we're just going to fit it with the case itself. And look at that. Beautiful. If you see those two ends, all you got to do is close them in, lock them in, and that's pretty much it, secure. So we got the phone, the iPhone, and then we have a Droid in here. And if you can see, they fit really well, really secure. The cameras itself, if you can see it, you can see both of the cameras really good. And I have a case within the case. Now on this one, you can have a case in here and make it a little tighter. It's up to you for extra protection. But I'm not gonna push the edge. I mean, this one's big enough as it is, but here you have phones, two phones that fit very well. So the beautiful thing is that they give you two cases. One's more like a fashionable thing, you know, carrying it in black, and then you could, like I said, you could carry IDs, you could carry money in here, especially if you're going to be in the poolside and you don't want to leave your phone and anywhere else. You want to make sure it's secure. It's always by your hand. They give you these little straps, you know, if you can see them, they're adjustable, if you guys can see this. So basically you just go hook this up in here. And this is well-made plastic. It's pretty hard plastic, if you can see it. Click it in there, and it hangs up in there. So you could hang this anywhere you want to go, take it to, you know, not that bad. And then you could tie it up. If you want to carry like a purse, you can carry it as a purse or around your neck. So not bad. And like I said, they don't just give you one, they give you two. And we're going to put one to the test and see how, if any water penetrates in there, right? So let's take a look. All right, so here we have a little test. If you can see a little pond that we have in here, we'll go ahead and put it underwater, and it's completely synced underwater, if you can see it. So we're going to put some more information about it. Of course, we're going to put a little turtle up here, but just to let you know, it's underwater and it still works. You can still click on it. You can see it. No water in there at all. Still works fine. Came on. Just testing it out to see how long it takes. We'll put the turtle on top of it. Make sure it's underwater for quite a while. But it seems like everything's working well. I'm going to dry it up. Let you guys know how secure it is. Pretty secure in there, you know. As long as you don't unlock it, keep it underwater, it's really good. So hope you guys enjoy it. All right, now that you guys see the test, and it worked pretty well now that they're all dried up. Hope you guys enjoy the test, and I hope you guys get something out of it. If it's a benefit for you to carry one of these, maybe abroad, or maybe if you go to a pool party or somewhere. Like I said, not only phones, but you could carry other items in here, and you can secure them, make them waterproof. Now, make sure that you're not in a rocky area where it's going to puncture a hole in one of these, because this is plastic we're talking about. It's pretty much a tight plastic. Also away from flames or anything else in a campground. Make sure it's not near any fires or anything like that. You'll melt you'll melt the actual pouch. So make sure you follow the steps and you read some of the rules in here, some of the regulations, and some of the stuff that it needs. And also the warranty too is available. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.